Let me cook. Today we're going to be cooking a track from scratch. Here's some comments from the last video. Okay, let's never do that again. Let's start with a pad. We're using the key of C minor for this beat. This is a 1-4-1-7 progression, as it uses the first, fourth, first and seventh notes in the scale. These are then turned into chords. Bassline. We simply take a bass preset and play the root notes of the chords. Remember these ones? Super annoying lead time. We're literally just playing these notes, but adding a ton of effects. So now it sounds super weird, but good weird, I hope. Anyway, enough yapping. Let's get onto the drums. Wait, no, vocal first.
I've been thinking about you all the time.
This is pretty simple. I got this from Splice because I like having vocals to fill the track out. If I could sing, I'd sing, but you don't want to hear that. Oh yeah, drums. I found this kick and this snare and started working on a drum and bass rhythm. And this cool top loop which saved me like 10 seconds at adding the two-step hat and 4 on the floor ride. Here's a super dope thing I do. Using a kickstart sidechain as a volume gate, you can shorten this loop to change up the energy in the track. Now we're getting somewhere. We can use reverb on the vocal to make these cool little background effects. And we can do the same with delays on the drums to create this. Right, let's throw this all together and hope for the best. Oh my bad, there's transitions too. They're just reverse crashes and stuff like that. Oh, and this weird bass thingy, I call it the wow bass. I just dropped the full track on all platforms and it's linked in the video description, so go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe for more.